welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing another at-home nail video. I'm leaving tomorrow for a little weekend getaway. Our friends are getting engaged. Our friends are getting married, so they're having their engagement party, and it's like an all neutral, like nudes vibe. So I'm gonna go with like a solid sparkle. I think I'm gonna do a gold sparkle, and I'm using Beetle's 454. And I think that's what I was debating between a silver and a gold, but I think I'm gonna go with the gold. Just a solid sparkle. So this is definitely beginner friendly. If you aren't like trying to do any intricate designs or anything, this is the video for you. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started prepping my nails. If you watched my last two videos, so my first nail video I did on here, I did like the Barbie pink nails. In that video, I did the whole prep process. I soaked my nails, all of the good stuff. And in my last video, I honestly didn't prep my nails, and I can definitely tell a difference in how long my nails lasted. So I'm definitely gonna be prepping my nails this time. And yeah, that's just a side note. If you are gonna do this at home, you should just go ahead and do it the right way. Prep your nails, soak them, push your cuticles back, clip them, like do all the things before you apply your nails, because it will honestly like make a difference. So yeah. Okay, so I'm starting out by soaking my nails. I'm gonna soak them in like some soapy water for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna push my cuticles back, and that's how I'm gonna prep my nails. So we'll check back in after I soak. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and now push my cuticles back and clip them. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my nail sizes, which I should have memorized by now, but I don't. But yeah, I just finished prepping. I still need to like, hold on. Alright, now we're gonna pick out my nails. My right hand nails are bigger than my left hand nails, but you know what? It looks fine. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my alcohol. Oh, here. Going in with my nail bond. just finished gluing all my nails on. I'm about to trim them down and shape them a little bit. If you've been watching my nail videos, you know I like to do an almond or like an oval shape. So to achieve that look, I cut them down to like about the size that I want them, and then I just take because the nails that I have, they actually do come in this almond tip length, but they're just a little too long for me. So I like to cut them down and then just like round the corners. So I'm about to go ahead and do that to all of my nails. Okay, so I finished shaping all of my nails. I just like, I finished shaping. I'm going in now with this little brush and just getting all of the dust off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my base coat. Okay, then I'm gonna get my UV gloves, which if you watch my videos, you know that I like to use to protect my skin from aging and any cancerous changes. And these will be linked in my Amazon storefront, along with all of my, everything here, honestly, will be linked. But yeah, I like to wear these, and I'm going to go in with I use Beetles. I'm going to go in with my base coat. Okay, and that's just a nice gold sparkle. I think I'm just gonna do one coat, honestly. I don't know. Yeah, I think I am. I'm lazy, and I don't want it to be too thick, so I'm gonna go in now with my top coat. I'm gonna pull this back and use this again. Okay, so I just left that in there for another minute, and this hand is honestly done. So I'm gonna do this hand and we'll check back in. Okay, so I just finished up. I'm about to take these off. And then if you've watched my past nail videos, and you know I love to use a good vitamin E, and this one's just from Target, but I love to go in and just put some vitamin E on my cuticles and just really rub them together to give them some good moisture. And I'm going to show you guys the final product. I really like them. They're very simple and like elegant. I feel the engagement party that I'm going to is like a nude, like neutrals vibe, and I'm wearing a black dress, but like the theme for the party is like elevated neutrals, so I wanted to do something. I didn't want to do anything crazy. I just wanted to do something simple but like elegant, and this is what we came out with. I cannot like do my fingers normal, but yeah, this is the final product. I really love this color. It is, again, Beetles 454. I love Beetles, and I love using this. I use it plain, but I also have put it over like every color that I've done. The last video, my last nail video, I used a lime green, and I put this over it, and it was beautiful. And this is it by itself. So highly recommend this color, this brand. Beetles, sponsor my video. Just kidding. But yeah, this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this little at-home nails video. Bye!